guys, today I'll be bringing you a nice minifigure review. One, this, like these three guys, counting Rocket back here, is 72102, and this set is 72101. Okay, let's do the minifigures. We got Captain America, Outrider of here, Outrider, and Black Widow. Her hair's blonde. Trees, vine thing, Groot, Thor. Star-Lord calls him a maniac, so this is what Stonebreaker. If you guys want to know how to make Stonebreaker, leave it in the comment section down below. Yeah, Rocket. Like what's the good thing about this? Like the tail is like kind of rubbery. And you guys want to see what the back piece of was. So I got that part for these things. Got Cap's back. His hair looks pretty cool. And now we'll do the stones. So this might be this is the power. This is the space.